Welcome to my Domo review. Today, we're going to take a detailed look at this cloud-based business intelligence platform. Domo is known for helping companies organize, analyze, and visualize their data in real time, but is it truly worth the hype? Let's get into the details. First, let's talk about the user interface. Domo offers an intuitive and clean layout, which is great for both beginners and seasoned analysts. You won't feel overwhelmed by too much clutter, but instead have easy access to dashboards and reports. However, while the interface is sleek, I did find that the sheer number of features can be a bit much at first, especially if you're new to business intelligence platforms. The platform excels in its data integration capabilities. Domo supports a wide variety of data connectors, allowing you to pull data from almost any source you can think of. Whether it's cloud services, spreadsheets, or other databases, Domo makes it relatively easy to centralize your data in one place. This integration is especially valuable for larger organizations with multiple data streams, as it saves a lot of time when analyzing trends or generating reports. Another feature worth noting is Domo's real-time data visualization tools. You can create visually appealing charts, graphs, and dashboards that make it much easier to understand your data at a glance. The drag-and-drop functionality for customizing these visuals is straightforward, but it may take some practice to fully optimize the available options. For businesses looking to share insights with stakeholders, Domo's interactive dashboards are a great way to present your findings. Now, let's talk about the pricing. Domo does not provide transparent pricing on its website, which can be frustrating. You'll need to contact their sales team for a custom quote, and depending on your company's size and needs, this could get pretty expensive. In my opinion, Domo is best suited for mid to large businesses that require advanced analytics and are willing to invest in a comprehensive solution. Smaller businesses might find it overkill unless they are really ready to scale. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Giftmeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. As for support, Domo offers a decent range of help options, including tutorials, a knowledge base, and customer service. However, I found that the response time could be better when it comes to complex queries. It would be ideal to have more live chat options, especially when you're troubleshooting something urgent. In conclusion, Domo is a powerful business analytics platform with a range of advanced features that can help businesses make data-driven decisions. It excels in integration, data visualization, and scalability, but it does come with a high price tag and a steeper learning curve. I recommend Domo to larger businesses that need a comprehensive tool to handle their data analysis, but smaller companies or teams might find the investment too heavy for their needs. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest, in-depth reviews of business tools. Thanks for watching.